Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting your essential references so the tool has material to work with. First, open Google Scholar and locate your 5-10 most relevant papers, export titles, or copy DOIs. Then sign into Scribbr and choose the citation style you need. This matters because formatting rules differ. Once done, import or paste those references into Scribbr's citation manager. Make sure entries include year and authors to avoid errors. This gets you from scattered sources to an organized starting set. Now you move into detailed execution. Format and verify. Use Scribbr's citation generator to transform raw Google Scholar metadata into properly styled references. Check author order and punctuation because automated imports can flip names. Next, run the plagiarism and proofreading tools, accept suggestions that clarify meaning, but reject changes that alter intent. Then cross-check Google Scholar's metadata with Scribbr's formatted output. If titles, DOI, or page ranges differ, correct them manually. To finish, export the completed bibliography from Scribbr in your chosen format and paste or upload it into your manuscript. Then rerun a final proofreading pass and update in-text citations to match exported references. If you encounter formatting mismatches or missing data, don't panic. Regenerate the specific citation using the correct DOI or edit the entry manually in Scribbr. Finally, make sure all in-text citations resolve to bibliography entries. If things still go wrong, check for duplicate records or incorrect author initials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.